So these ad set boards can be more work than a court martial, which is crazy. They can be more work than a court martial. They can frankly be higher stakes than a court martial because now you're talking multi-million dollar level verdicts and you have to be able to resource everything yourself. And so these can be very expensive for a client too, because they say, well, it's only an ad set board. Why does it cost this? Well, because not only are you hiring me, we need to hire an investigator and we need to have an investigator fly to Bahrain or fly to Iwakuni or Okinawa. And you need to have them testify. And we need to be fully self-sufficient. And the level of resources that are there in the, if it's at a court martial, and you need an expert, we can go to the judge and ask the judge to order funding. There's just no mechanism. And so it's a very tilted ice that you're playing hockey on a tilted rink, and you're wondering why you're always losing. And so you have to understand that dynamic. But I'm telling you, Jason, we routinely win these. We win these over and over and over again. And I routinely see people lose these. And so we're doing whatever we're doing something right because we're winning these. I was so confident on one where I had a client that couldn't afford. I said, I'll take a contingent. It's non-criminal. I'm allowed to do that. I'll pay all the expenses. I'll come out of pocket the 20, 30,000 it's going to cost. I win. I'll take a contingency. I'll take a percentage of the retirement value. I was so confident I was going to do that.
Mhm.
And then they realized, I'll just pay you the fee. That's probably a lot.
Yeah.
Ended up being like, it took a zero off the final bill, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So confident
S
on that, do a contingent.